Happy Janmashtami to all of you. On this Janmashtami, I'm going to suggest you 7 pictures of Krishna to make your life better, to make it more happy, make it more meaningful. So let's have 7 meaningful pictures of Krishna and where to place them in your house. The first picture is that if you have major issues in life, especially loans, or there are a lot of bad debts for you, have a picture of Krishna with Govardhan Parvat on his little finger and people, standing below the Parvat. You find it easily on Google. We are also sharing the picture here. That is very good for protection. The second image of Krishna is the one where he's completely relaxing and actually playing flute. That's very good to avoid depression in your life. It's very, very good to have it in your living area. The third picture of Krishna where he is giving ज्ञान to Arjun, जहाँ वो अर्जुन को ज्ञान दे रहे हैं, never keep it at home, but do keep it in your work area. That's always going to keep you focused with your goals. Picture of Krishna doing Ras Leela is very good for the east of your house. It increases your social expansion and your popularity amongst people. Krishna having Makhan and Ma Yashoda churning butter is a very, very good picture for a children's bedroom. In case they have lack of obedience or they don't eat well in time, or if you want to have a better relationship with them, it's a beautiful picture to have at home. One more picture of Krishna you can do in case there is a lot of opponents, there's a lot of competition around you. This is a picture that you don't have to permanently place. It has to be either on your phone or your laptop, where Krishna is standing on the snake, that cobra. You have to find a picture where he's controlling Kalya Nag and standing on him and dancing. That's about getting over your problems, your negativities, your emotional hang-ups. Krishna's picture of Puri, Jagannath Puri, where he is with Subhadra and he is with Balram, is a very powerful picture to have in your work for a better teamwork and better coordination with people, working coordination with people. So you can have different images of Krishna doing different things and it has a different impact, like you are one, but you have a different role to play as a mother, as a sister, as a daughter, as a wife, as a friend. One person, different roles, but then when you are into that role, you have a different attribute to get. Similarly, we catch a different attribute of Krishna, place it into our lives and get the right vibration out of it. Happy Janmashtami to